Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 6 and the name of our unit is Our Country, Pakistan. And today I will give you a complete review of this unit. ठीक है, यानी कि आज हमारा यूनिट क्योंकि हम तमाम SLOs ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ख़त्म कर चुके हैं, सो आज जो है हम इसकी रिविजन करेंगे कि हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा है इस यूनिट में, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल प्रोवाइड यू विद एन असेसमेंट. So before that, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. So quickly tell me that name some national identities of Pakistan. Previous lecture में हमने एक project बनाया था about the national identities of Pakistan. हमने flag भी बनाया था. So quickly name some national identities of Pakistan. National bird, chakor. National animal, markhor. National flower, jasmine. National fruit, mango. And national dress, that is shalwar kameez. Okay, my dear students, now let's quickly move forward. These are all the student learning outcomes that we have covered, alhamdulillah, so far by now in this lecture. हमने तमाम जो है वो complete कर लिए हैं. आपको पूरे अपने नेम कंट्री का पूरा नेम पता है, डेट ऑफ एग्जिस्टेंस. You are also able to recognize that all countries have a flag. You are able to draw the flag of Pakistan, and you are also able to identify what the colors and symbols of the flag represent. So my dear students, now let's start the review. So in the first lecture we discussed the name of the Pakistan. कि पाकिस्तान का full name जो है, that is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. And when did Pakistan came into being? We also discussed that. So quickly, what is the name of our country? Islamic Republic of Pakistan. And when did Pakistan came into being? Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947. Very good. And in the next lecture, we discussed about the different symbols and colors that our flag represent. So quickly have a look at what is the meaning of green color in our flag. It represents majority Muslims. And what is the meaning of white color in our flag? It represents minorities. And what is the meaning of star in our flag? It represents light and knowledge. And what is the meaning of crescent in our flag? It represents progress. Okay, my dear students, now let's quickly move forward. And in this lecture, we discussed about that all countries have a flag. ठीक है, जितने भी countries हैं उनके पास भी एक एक flag होता है उनका, जो कि उनकी identity होता है और उनको represent करता है. So what is the importance of a flag for a country? A flag is the identity and representation of a country. So it is very important for a country. And now let's move forward towards the practice. And for practice, you know that in review, I give you the assessment sheet. So write down your name and your class. You can download this assessment from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print from bio teacher. So first of all, match the name of the country with its flag. So यहाँ पे countries के name हैं और यहाँ flags हैं. So you have to match the country with its correct right flag. Then you will do the fill in the blanks. The name of our country is, you have to write the full name. Pakistan came into being on. Very good. The color of our flag is. So you will complete this. After that, what is the meaning of the symbols and the colors of our flag? Also color the flag. So here is the flag, you will color it. And then white color represents, the star represents, the crescent represents, and the green color that you will do in the flag, what does it represent. So you will complete this assessment sheet, pause the video and quickly finish it. I hope everybody has done it. You will submit this worksheet to your teacher and she will evaluate you what you have done. She will give you grades or marks, and this is how we will know that what have you learned from this unit. So for your homework, read unit number 6 complete from page number 44 till 45. So ताकि अगर कोई भी lacking behind है, कोई भी चीज़ आपको नहीं miss हो गई है, so you can cover that, okay? और इससे आपकी reading भी improve होगी. So this is your homework. So the wrap up. So all the students are now able to tell the full name of our country and the date of its existence. They are also able to recognize that all the countries have a flag. And they are also able to draw the flag of Pakistan and identify that the colors and the symbols on the flag, what do they represent. So my dear students, आपको अपने country के बारे में बहुत सी बातें इस unit से पता चली हैं, flag के बारे में बहुत सी चीजें आपको पता चली होंगी. So my dear students, respect your country, your flag, and keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.